Rook Press is a student-run literary press from the University of Alabama. Our students govern every step of the publishing process, how you turn a manuscript into a book, from selecting the manuscripts to editing them, to designing them, to promoting them, recording audiobook versions, and designing our website.
In a classroom, you get to get the academic perspective. You learn how things work. But with Rook, you actually get to apply your skills and create something tangible. Every student or staff member that works on one of our books gets to have their name printed in the back. That's extremely valuable.
The biggest accomplishment that I can think of for Rook Press would be our most recent release party last year. We were only in our second year of the press existing, and people were lining up outside of the venue. Our readings were great. We had lines out the door for book signings, and we had sold out before the event was even over of all 3 of our books. It definitely shows that we have a really big student body who wants to read, and it really shows that we're delivering on a need that University of Alabama has. Rook has offered many opportunities all across the board for University of Alabama students. It's not just for English majors and minors, it's for really anybody of any study or discipline.
As a marketing major, I didn't even think about working in publishing until I began to work for Rook, so that's provided me a complete avenue for career aspirations.
The most rewarding aspect of working on Rook Press has been the opportunity to collaborate with our students in a setting where they're empowered to make decisions. But maybe more importantly, this has been a space where they've been able to build this really neat and vibrant community and make connections with people from a variety of backgrounds and majors.